Hi, I just want to talk about the perception of a lot of people when it comes to actually starting a business without money. The book I wrote, How to Start a Business Without Money. I wrote this book. Where's it? Where's it? Okay, okay. Oof. Okay. I think it's actually in the stars. I wrote the book How to Start a Business Without Money, and I've had a lot of people say, "Come, team, how is that possible?" These are the same sets of people that are going to go up on stage and say everything is possible, and lead to wonder why. That thing in their head hasn't been able to tell them or probably help them see that beyond spirituality, in real life, there are things that are actually possible. Now, let me give you a very clear instance here about my book, How to Start a Business Without Money. Imagine you, wherever you are right now, imagine it that for the last 1 year, a lot of businesses have been suffering sales. I'm correct, right? Yet, there are people that are making sales consistently. Me, I'm one. For my customer or my customers who actually enjoy my services, they have consistently been making money. In fact, today, this evening, one of them called and said, "Please, could you place order for half a thousand products so that you can distribute right from your office without dropping a dime." And I'm like, "This man, you want to hang me again? I have a lot of things on my hand. You want to push me so I can sell and bring monies to you." Anyway, this is it. The man honors me. He talks to me as if I'm his mate today. He respects me. Why? Because I'm doing one thing. I'm putting monies in his pockets. All those people I've just told you to imagine actually need you to help them put monies in their pockets. And the only way you can do that is by helping them to sell their products. And listen to me, it is not just about you going on the street and selling products. It's not just about you having the knowledge to boost products on Facebook and all of that. It is knowing the customer journey. That's exactly what I painted in my book. And it takes just a very few people in this country today to come up on stage and say, "I can actually deliver when it comes to selling." Yes, I can say that. Times without number, I've said it. I have taken clients from the very lowest air where they're shaking and believing that at a turn of a time of a clock, they're definitely going to pack up and go to the village. And I'm like, "Come sit there, pay me so amount of money, and I'm going to turn things around." And I have done that. And that's exactly what my book addresses. Now, for those who are interested in having me turn around their business, you can actually just link up with me here. But listen, I don't play the kids' ball anymore. I do the bigger boys now. So, if you're interested, boss me. I'll see you again. Bye.